हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 50। आज हमारी 50th क्लास है। इससे पहले की सारी क्लासेस आप प्लेलिस्ट से ज़रूर ले लीजिए। आज हम लोग एक लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आपने टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको उसका लिंक मिल रहा है, आप उसको वहाँ से ज्वाइन कर लें। वहाँ पर मैं आपको डेली इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स शेयर करता हूँ। कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट जो चीज़ें हैं वो मैं वहाँ पर आपको शेयर करता रहता हूँ। साथ ही में वीकली हम एक लाइव स्ट्रीम भी करते हैं जिसमें आप मुझसे डायरेक्टली अपने क्वेश्चंस को पूछ सकते हैं। जो क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको मैं कमेंट में नहीं दे सकता या फिर जो क्वेश्चंस आप कमेंट में नहीं पूछ पाते, आप मुझे लाइव स्ट्रीम के दौरान पूछ सकते हैं। तो टेलीग्राम चैनल को अगर ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन से टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। अभी हम लोग एक लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1, start. This special leave petition has been filed against the judgment and order passed in writ petition by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, by which the writ petition against the order of dismissal of the petitioner's application and successive appeals under the Right to Information Act 2005 has been dismissed. In the said petition, the direction was sought by the petitioner to the respondent number 1 to provide information as asked by him while his application from the respondent number 4, a judicial officer, as for what reasons the respondent number 4 had decided his miscellaneous appeal dishonestly. Para. The facts and circumstances giving rise to this case are that the petitioner claimed to be in exclusive possession of the land in respect of which civil suit was filed before additional civil judge praying for continuous injunction against the petitioner and another from entering into the suit land. Application filed for interim relief in the said suit stood dismissed. Being aggrieved, the plaintiff therein preferred civil miscellaneous application and the same was also dismissed. Para. 2 other suits were filed in respect of the same property, impleading the petitioner also as the defendant. In one of the suits, the trial court granted a temporary injunction against the petitioner. Being aggrieved, the petitioner preferred the civil miscellaneous application, which was dismissed by the appellate court. Para. Petitioner filed an application before the administrative officer cum assistant state public information officer seeking information to the queries mentioned therein. The said application was rejected and an appeal against the said order was also dismissed. Second appeal against the said order was also dismissed by the Andhra Pradesh State Information Commission. The petitioner challenged the said order before the High Court, seeking a direction to the respondent number 1 to furnish the required information immediately. Para. The appellant was convicted by the trial court on the allegation that his farm labor deceased committed suicide because of the harassment given to him by the appellant. The prosecution case was that the appellant 2 days prior to the incident leveled an allegation of theft of ornaments against the deceased that the appellant had also demanded from the deceased, which was given to him as advance at the time when he was kept in employment. The conviction was affirmed by the High Court. In the instant appeal filed by the accused, it was contended for the appellant that the conviction of the appellant was unsustainable as no ingredients of offense punishable were made out. Abatement involved a mental process of instigating a person or intentionally aiding a person in doing a thing without a positive act on the part of the accused to instigate or aid in committing suicide. Conviction cannot be sustained. Para. the intention of the legislature and the ratio of the cases decided by this court is clear that in order to convict a person, there has to be a clear reason to commit the offense. It also requires an active act or direct act which led the deceased to commit suicide, seeing no option, and this act must have been intended to push the deceased into such a position that he committed suicide. In the instant case, the deceased was undoubtedly hypersensitive to ordinary discord and differences which happen in day to day life. Human sensitivity of each individual differs from the other. Different people behave differently in the same situation. Stop. ये हमने एक लीगल मैटर लिखा है, काफ़ी अच्छा मैटर है. इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स थोड़े से डिफ़िकल्ट हैं, बाकी जो मैटर है वो सिंपल ही है. आई होप आप लोगों से लिखा गया होगा. स्टार्टिंग में हमने इसको थोड़ा लोअर स्पीड पर रखा था, बीच में 120 के अराउंड स्पीड गई थी और लास्ट में वापस से स्लो रही. बीच में 120 पे ले जाने का ये सेंस है कि एग्ज़ाम में अगर आपकी स्पीड एग्जामिनर 115-120 पे बोले तो आपसे वो लिखा जाए. 115 से ऊपर तो नहीं जाएगा, इसीलिए मैं आपको 120 तक लिखवा रहा हूँ सो डैट आपका 115 इजीली निकल जाए. तो आप इसको अब ट्रांसक्राइब करिए, अपनी गलतियों को चेक करिए, उसके बाद आप कमेंट करके बता देना कि आपकी कितने मिस्टेक्स आई हैं. तो आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है. आपको कोई भी क्वेरी हो या कोई भी डाउट हो तो उसको कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो या फिर पर्सनली टेलीग्राम पर भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय.